So hello, good evening. How are you?
Good evening too. I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm also doing great. Thank you so much for asking. So since we are meeting for the very first time, would you mind introducing yourself?
Okay, thank you for asking me. My name is Aminul Islam. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a student, as well as I'm learning this language. I'm doing a part-time job at a school. Yeah, that's all about myself. So, what about you?
Okay, so my name is Bhavita. I'm talking to you from Gorakhpur. About my education, I have done graduation with English. I did PG, I did BA, and also qualified CTET, UPTET. Apart from that, I'm a homemaker. Simultaneously, I'm running YouTube channel. Along with, I'm a mother of two kids. About my hobbies, I love singing yoga and talking with the people. That's all about me. Thank you.
Okay, that's really nice. And ma'am, I know you. I watch so many video in YouTube.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thanks a lot.
English I started my speaking English 2 months ago, and I searched on YouTube how to learn English and English conversational video. So in this way, I got your video, and I also got many video. You spoke with many person.
Yes.
So ma'am, and
Uh,
I want to know when did you start to learn this language?
Okay. So it's been 15 months more than. And before this language, like before 15 months, I was nothing in this language. But yes, like although English was my subject when I was in the college, but yet I was unable to speak. Then that time I decided I have to learn this language at any cost because it was my passion to learn this language when I was in the college, because there was a sir and he was speaking so good English, and that time I was very impressed about him, and that day I decided by myself, yes, I have to learn this language. But that time I was unable to understand, right? Because there were no such kind of good environment, and that time I hadn't mobile as well. Then after getting married and having children and having this mobile, I got these opportunities, because having mobile is a very great way to learn this language, because it's a very easy, it's a very small, but it is giving us a lot of opportunities by the help of which we can easily move ahead only through this mobile. And also English language, through this English language, if you know this language, you can easily go ahead in your life very easy and easily and effortlessly, and you can achieve your goal very soon, right? But yes, after learning this language, I have like confident to speak with the people. Now I would say this language is giving me a lot of opportunities, and I can move ahead through this language. I can achieve my goal, whatever I want to do in my life. So I would say this language is really very beautiful. Everyone should learn this language. Yeah.
Yes,
So
it was a nice.
yeah.
Yes, I'm follow whatever you said. I'm following these tips, and after following 2 months and after practicing 2 months, now I can able to speak English a little bit. I can express myself. I can explain everything. So it is not a difficult language. I think it's very easy.
It is not difficult as we are thinking. We just need to put our effort for it, and we just need to try as well. If you are not try, then how it is possible for that person? For any person, they can learn. So at least you have to try in a day. Throughout the day you have to think. Make sure throughout the day you have to speak in English. You have to think in English. Whatever you are going to do throughout the day, you have to do it like in English, like whatever you are going. So always you must be thinking anything like in your native language. So instead of thinking in your native language, so why don't you create a positive and English environment in your mind,
Yes, you
right?
were right. Yes, you were
So
right. So yes, what did you
tell
say?
me
I don't
about,
understand.
yeah, I was just asking, tell me about your English journey. When did you start and why are you learning English?
Actually, ma'am, I started my speaking English journey 2 months ago, and I'm learning this language. In future, I want to do freelancing, and in freelancing, English is very important. English is must. So and as well as I want to travel out of my country. That's why I'm learning this language. And also I'm doing a job at a school. I'm teaching my students in English. That's why I'm learning this language.
So you love to travel, right? So if you
Yes,
get
yes.
a, so which country you want to go firstly after learning this language?
Yeah, first of all, I want to go India, and in India, I want to visit Kashmir. You know, Kashmir is
Okay.
very beautiful.
Yeah, right,
Yes,
right. Yeah, in
and
India, Kashmir is really very beautiful.
yes,
Yes,
I have a friend. I have a close friend from India. He lives in West Bengal. Invited me to visit her country, visit her state, and if I have opportunity, I will go to visit her state.
definitely. You should go. Because
Okay, which part of India do you live?
yeah, northern,
Northern.
not yeah.
Okay, okay, I understand.
I live in Gorakhpur,
Okay, so have you visited any country?
not yet, not yet, but
Okay,
yes, yes. I visited in our India like Jammu 2 times. I have visited, right?
okay,
And like my purpose was that time like seeing for visiting for temple, Vaishno temple, right?
okay. So do you like traveling?
I don't like, but yes, if I if I actually I like, but not much because I'm a mother of 2 kids and I have to like do a lot of like I have to take a lot of responsibilities to complete all the thing, right? And being a mother, homemaker, sometimes it is very daunting task for me to go outside and to visit anywhere because if you want to go anywhere, so you have to go with family, right? And my children are studying right now, right? But yes, in my future, if I get like this opportunity, I'll definitely go for any country. And so first of all, if I get chance, so I would like to visit America, right?
Mary.
Because yeah, I want to but firstly I want to improve my English, and I want to master, I want to be master in this language so that I can go in any country and I can reveal my quality, and I can speak with someone in a good way in English language. So
Okay,
we need
so
to
still now are doing study?
no, I quit everything, and I have completed my education. I have completed my graduation with English, PG, and B.Ed as well, and also qualified CTET, UP So I have completed all the thing, and I'm preparing like competitive exam, and I'm looking for any government vacancies in teaching field mostly because I like to teach children. So if I like get this chance, like if government is providing any new vacancies, so I'll definitely apply that form because I want to become a government teacher as well. So this is what I'm having actually. Yeah.
Okay, I pray for you will do it. So after practicing 15 months, you speak English very well. You are a fluent English speaker.
Thank you so much. I think so. And I need to work upon it more and more so that I can open my own institute. I want to open my own institute, and I want to teach to the students, and this way I want to impart my knowledge, right?
So are you getting money from YouTube?
No, I'm not getting money, you know.
So when
didn't I don't get subscribers 1000. Firstly you have to you need to complete your 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch time. What time?
yes, you are right.
Then only you can.
When did you create your channel? When did you create your channel?
It's been 8 or 9 months.
8 or 9 months.